Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we're going to make a bread dish for which we need bread, of course, and bacon, cheese, oregano, and melted butter. For the beginning, all you have to do is cut down the bread into 2 halves and put the ones under the dish. Later, all you have to do is cover them with the bacon. And whenever done, cut down the cheese into some slices and put that onto the top of the bacon. This is going to be melted down and have an amazing taste. So let's continue with covering all of this with the breads, the second halves, with the tops of the breads, and cover them with the melted butter from the top. All of the tops of the bread should be buttered. And let's add some oregano spice onto the top of that. Whenever done, whenever cooked, it will be ready to be tasted. The cheese is melted down, everything is cooked. It's so tasty. Voila! You can share it with your friends if you liked it. Good appetite!